Scorpio, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is harmony. It's time to bring that balance to your mind, body, and spirit. Harmonize. There's no reason to be worrying, threatened, or worried that things are not going your way. I want you to feel balanced because not only are you a superstar, not only are great things happening, not only are you controlling and attracting your community. The best way to maintain your grace, maintain your gifts, maintain your community, maintain this buzz, maintain your light is being in harmony. You're in the right place, in the right time, with the right gifts. Do not doubt yourself. Just continue to move forward. Only thing that can stop you is you. So as long as you show up and show out and give your best effort every day, guaranteed as the season changes, everything becomes second nature. Your life will open up to even more than what you imagine it to be because you've earned it, because you didn't stop. And you come too far to stop now, guaranteed. I open myself to the divine being within me, your gifts, your spirit, your energy. And I am the image of God. You guys are the image of the Almighty. There's nothing the Almighty cannot do. Therefore, there's nothing that you cannot do. And one thing you can't do is fail, because you actually excel to a level of prosperity. I am the image of God. Thus, I have the power to bring light into my life. I turn any darkness, any weakness into something beautiful, a light that shines brightly. And in the absence of resentment, anger, and doubt, I find harmony. Replace absence of resentment, anger, and doubt with prosperity, positive energy. Everything that can be positive, replace those things in those vacant areas of negative energy with positivity, which will skyrocket your light to the next level. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.